Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is a little bit of a different video. I have a very special guest. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Lucy.
This is Lucy and she is my cousin. And how old are you, Lucy?
7.
7. And Lucy is obsessed with makeup, aren't you? You love it, and when you come here she always asks me if I can do her makeup. So we thought we had an idea for a video today that I was going to give her a full glam piece of makeup. So foundation, everything. So does that sound good?
Yeah.
And of course Lucy would never go out the house like this. It's just a bit of a fun idea that we had for a video. So first, when we went into town and we got her some of this pink hairspray, and it's made all her hair pink, and you love it, don't you?
Yeah.
So now we're going to paint up this beautiful face. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So first we're going to start with some foundation. Here I have got the Body Shop Fresh Nude Foundation in Fiji Sands. It's probably going to be quite dark for Lucy because obviously my skin's a bit darker than yours, isn't it? And you're very beautiful and you've got very pale skin. So look, we're just going to paint it on. Oh, lovely.
It's going to look like that I've got suntan.
Yeah, it's going to look like you've been in Fiji. It's like a very hot country. Nice. So Lucy, what do you want to be when you're older?
A train driver.
A train driver?
In Wales.
In Wales, yeah, Lucy has it all set out. And have you been to Wales before?
Yes.
How many times?
10,000.
10,000 times. She goes to Wales every year with her daddy. Okay.
I'm going next month.
You're going next month? Look, we got...
Yeah, because I'm going on 2 holidays next month.
Oh, where are you going?
Going to Spain.
Spain. Why are you going to Spain? Do you know why?
I forgot the name.
No, but why are we going?
Because it's Aaron and Mark's thingy.
Yeah, our cousins Aaron and Mark, they live in Mallorca, Camp Picafort in Mallorca, and it's going to be their communion. Okay, looking at the camera then. Beautiful!
And then for my birthday, I'm going to Wales next month.
Yeah, her favourite place. Okay, next we've got this Lottie Got It Covered High Coverage Concealer in Shell. I picked this up in a little £2 bin in Superdrug, and it's actually really good. So we're just going to give her quite a lot of... Oh, since we're going full glam. Look.
It's like a V on top of my head.
Okay, and then I'm going to use my beauty blender.
It's going to be wet.
Yeah, with a damp beauty blender. So Lucy, do you own any of your own makeup at the moment?
No.
You don't? Maybe that will be what I can get you for Christmas. Your first lot of makeup. And of course, you don't need all this makeup, do you?
No.
You're already absolutely beautiful. But sometimes makeup is just fun. See, I don't wear makeup to make me look pretty. I just wear it sometimes because I think it's really fun to apply, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just going to add some powder underneath her eyes to set your powder. I just put, and this is called baking. Yeah? I don't do it properly, but just a little bit. Just where we set it so it doesn't move. Put it on top of your head. Here. Okay. Now we are going to do your contour. Do you know what contour is? Oh! So contour is where you put it brown here and here, sculpting your face. I'll take this again. I didn't tell you what this is. So this is the Imagination X Revolution face palette. I also have her eyeshadow palette. So yeah, I'm gonna take all 3 of the colours, literally Warrior and Can't Deal. Swipe across, and like this. Contour her beautiful face. Like that. Oh. There we go. Beautiful, Lucy. We're also going to contour her nose a little bit. I'm going to go back to the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit because I used the browns for eyebrows and for contour. Does it look a bit silly? Don't worry. Well, I'm not a pro at makeup, but We just give it our best, don't we?
Yeah.
Well,
You got good makeup on,
do
though.
you? Thanks. Do you think I do my makeup good?
Yeah.
You are so cute. So do you know why people do this?
No.
They do it to make their noses look skinny.
What?
Do you think that's a bit silly, isn't it? Yeah.
Whatever.
Whatever. Okay, beautiful. Okay, then we're just going to wipe off the bacon we did earlier under your eyes. Oh, wow.
It's like rubbing it around my face.
Well,
It's not really getting it off. Or whatever you're trying to do.
Oh, so that's kind of like your base. We also need to do the most important thing. Lucy, do you know what this is called? The shiny ones.
No.
They're called highlighter.
Can I pick?
Yeah, which one would you like?
This one.
So Lucy has chosen Slay My Life, which is actually my favourite as well. So this goes over here, the highest point of your faces, where the sun would naturally hit, and it makes you all shiny. Love that. Yes, yes, boo! And then we can also put a little bit with our finger on the bridge of our nose and on top of our lip. Make those lips popping. You like that? Yeah. Do you know what some girls are also doing these days? They're getting needles and they're getting doctors to put needles in their skin to make their lips bigger and their noses smaller. Ugh, what do you think about that?
Gross.
That's silly. What would you say to those girls that want to go and have those things done?
Not do it again.
Not do it again. Do you think they should just love themselves how they are?
Yeah.
I think so as well. I think so too. Okay, now we're going to do your eyebrows. So Lucy's got really fair eyebrows, so we're going to see if we can box them out a little bit.
Make them darker.
Oh, yeah.
It was better was even more beautiful.
Okay, do you like your eyebrows?
Yeah.
Okay, now what we're going to do, we're just going to add a bit of concealer underneath the eyebrows and on your eyelids. So then we can start with your eyeshadow. Oh, close your eye. Okay, so Lucy, what colour eyeshadow would you like? So we've got the Imagination eyeshadow palette here. Lots of colours to choose from. I've chosen Raisin Praise as the main colour, so we just need to add some browns first of all to your eyes. So you're going to close your eyes. Okay, open. Like it?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so now this is what I think is going to be the tricky bit on you because you can't keep your eyes still when they're closed. We're going to do some eyeliner. Think you can keep your eye closed and keep it still? Should we try? Good girl, Luce. Okay, have a look.
This is
Look at
like a
me.
pen.
Yeah. Ooh. Walk away being very noisy. So you've got your eyeliner on. Look at you. Shall I close actually?
You put a lot on that
It's
eye
fine.
already.
It's because she squints her eyes a bit, so I haven't been able to join it up, but it's okay. We'll do your lips and then we'll try mascara, okay? We'll dry them. I don't need all spit. Okay. Liner, and then we're going to go on with the lipstick on top.
Yeah.
Like this. Like this. Click on your teeth. There you go, let me see normally. Ooh! Uh-oh. Is your eyeliner smudged? Don't worry. Okay, we're going to put some mascara on now.
Yes.
Oh, this is the part. Can I even find my mascara?
Wherever you put it, that's where it is.
You look so cool with your pink hair as well. Okay, this is the trick now. Good girl, good girl. Keep your eye like that. Wow, Lucy. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, look at you. Dry, so we're just going to do this to keep it on all day. Open. Have you just spread everything everywhere? No. Okay, so we've put our setting spray on. Now for the last bit, Lucy hasn't got her ears pierced, so we went to Clothes Accessories and we bought these magnetic earrings. And we might actually do a prank on your mum tomorrow and say that I got your ears pierced. Me and Lucy are pranksters. We like pranking people, don't we?
I better prank.
Yeah. Okay, ready? Let's put the first one on there. But you can't touch them, okay? We started putting them on in the town centre and then she touched it and it fell and it took us ages to try and find it on the floor.
No, we didn't.
It did. Oh, your earrings. Oh, wow. Okay. Is there anything else? You want to do anything to your hair or do you like your hair as it is? I think you like how it is. Okay, I'll show you guys close up now in a minute. Your nails. Close your eyes. Wow, your pink hair. Do you love it?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Okay, now what do we say? So we're going to go now. Hope you enjoyed our video. Obviously, don't take this too seriously. It's just for a bit of fun, isn't it, Lucy? So are you happy with your final look?
Yes.
Yeah, and you're going to be in one of my videos, another video soon?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright then. Well, make sure you guys subscribe. Bye!